Yeah, let's start the knowledge catalog. Quick start, console, lab. Okay, now click on start. After that, open the console, the cognitive mode. Click on I understand, agree, agree and continue. Now click the cloud shell, click on continue, and then click on authorize. Now I have given the link of the GitHub. Okay, GitHub link I have provided. Just open that. Okay, scroll down over here. Just copy this first command. Go back to the lab. Just paste over here. Okay, now enter. We need to enter the region. Go back to the lab. Okay, Control F. Just for the region. Okay, here there is a region. Just copy this. Okay, go back to the lab. Just paste over here. Click on enter. Now go back to the GitHub. Copy this command. Go back to this. Paste. Enter. Now it executed. Okay, go back to the lab. Okay, now click on the score. Now check this. Hope you can see 100 out of 100 here. Yeah, lab got completed. Thank you.